My name is Emma. 6 months ago, I could not speak English smoothly. Every time I tried to speak, I stopped. I paused. I thought too much. My mind was full of words, but my mouth was silent. When someone asked me a question in English, my heart started beating fast. "Hello, how are you?" they asked. I knew the answer, but I froze. "I am fine," I said slowly. It was painful. I felt small. I felt weak. I wanted to speak freely. I wanted to speak without fear. But I didn't know how. One day I made a decision. I said to myself, I will not be silent anymore. I started with something simple. I spoke to myself. Every morning I looked in the mirror and said, "Hello, my name is Emma. Today will be a good day." At first it felt strange, but I continued. Every day. No stopping. No fear. Then I learned a powerful secret. Fluency is not about knowing many words. Fluency is about continuing, even if you make mistakes. So I stopped worrying about mistakes. I just spoke. When I didn't know a word, I used another word. When I felt fear, I continued anyway. Slowly, something changed. My pauses became shorter. My voice became stronger. My confidence grew. After 3 months, people noticed the difference. "You speak so smoothly now," they said. I smiled, because they did not see my practice. They did not see my fear. They did not see my small daily steps. But I knew. I changed. Today I can speak without pausing. Not because I am perfect, but because I am brave. I learned that fluency is not magic. It is practice. It is courage. It is daily effort. And if I can do it, you can do it too.